Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we are going to be studying about forces. This presentation will explore the fundamental concepts of force in motion from physics book Federal Board National Book Foundation Unit 3 for class 9th. Let's talk about the two diagrams, system diagram and free body diagram. The system diagram shows the object and all of the forces acting upon that object, while the free body diagram is known as FBD and it isolates the object, showing only forces acting on it. The key force labels: for gravity, the force is F subscript G, the force pulling an object towards the earth. For tension, the symbol is F subscript T, the force transmitted through a string, rope or cable. The normal force is denoted by F subscript N, its support force perpendicular to a surface, and applied force is known as F subscript G, which is the external force exerted on an object. Friction is denoted as F subscript F, force opposing motion between surfaces in contact. The concept of net force. Net force is the vector sum of all forces on an object. Vector force is denoted by F subscript net. If the net force is zero, the object will stay at rest or it will move with constant velocity. If the net force is not equal to zero, the object will accelerate in the direction of net force. Now the resultant force is basically the vector sum of all forces acting on an object. It can be positive, negative or zero. Parallel forces are the forces acting along the same line and they can be added or subtracted. They are in the same direction with the same magnitudes, and if they are in the opposite direction, they subtract smaller from larger. Applying force concepts is crucial for understanding force diagrams, and net force is also crucial for analyzing motion. These principles are fundamental to physics. The key takeaways from this topic are that force diagrams visualize forces on an object, net force determines an object's acceleration, and vector addition rules apply to combining forces. I hope you liked my lecture. If you could subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it a lot. Thank you.